We're up, boss. Grizz and Geraldino doing it. Doing jumps and such. Ironically, like on the ground, I haven't had that. Ironically, the technically easiest part I haven't. I really haven't. Oh. Boopity boop. Oh. Toes. Trying to piss. City of Venice. Lots of rich people giving change to the homeless. I better stop. I'm gonna get copyright struck by South Park, not even fucking Tupac.
Well,
Tupac's house, okay? You want me specific? There's a bunny way over there, dude. Fucking bunny, dude. Bunny. Lots of rich people. But I am. Nobody something wrong. You know that froggy fresh though? That froggy fresh though? Why is James crying? Cause he just got dunked on. They filmed the whole ass like 2-on-2 like fucking cinematic thing, but on like a 6-foot hoop. Dressed as the Bulls and the Knicks. And it was great. It's a good song and really fun. Yeah. Okay, it feels weirder. Get that casually started. I hate brain. Stop it, brain. Stop it. Why? Stop it. Stop it. Now the double plyo is frying my brain.
this good boy. Well, you foolish man, I play newspaper role.
See, my sticks always look not as good because my giant is feet. Like, this is balls and feet.
Yeah.
Not an American stick, England. I should Max post. The Grizz post. It's okay. You just trying to confirm it in your brain that you're doing it.
Yeah.
Oh, stick confirmed! That was like the nicest stick ever. Woo! Wait, hold it. Oh. Come on, we gotta, we can do it. Yo, this hitting is sick. So you can definitely get some runny lines. Hard this morning, really. Oh my god, they actually trimmed it. I'm scared of the tree. Not scared of it, but like
The tree terrifies me.
It's like distracting. Even though like it's perfectly cut to not hit you. But like this
comes from my night.
But it's why we have to go here for a POV. Because it's a tree, I'm not that. Yeah. Ready? 4, 3, 2, 1. Same count, but I'm gonna be running. I'm gonna start at 4 as well, but I'm gonna be goofing up. 3, 2, 1. Be the camera guy.
Huh?
I think if you were, maybe if you were behind, I think that might be easier to record and
Either way, bud.
Still look cool.
Here's the timer. I'm just going when I'm asked.
Would be 3, 2, 1. Oh yeah, that's fair, but I think that would have looked good. How close were you to me doing my thing?
Not super far.
You see it though? I think so. Well, as long as you saw the seconds.
Did you see? Did you see how close I was? If so, hello. Decent?
Is it not difficult?
Yeah, just keep it going down. 3, 2.
You know what I mean?
Yeah. Did you see it? Did you see my backpack?
Wait, you ready that out? Wait, you can keep jumping in front.
Maybe a little more.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna take it easy, do some more filming. I'm a little sore. I hurt my shin, you're just gonna have to believe me.
In the video where he said he hurt his shin and was on the floor.
And then showed you, yeah, that was when I hurt my shin. That was only about 9 or 10 days ago.
Probably 7. I don't know if 9 or 10.
It was on Friday, but not last Friday. Ooh. I ain't got my fucking hand out of the way, goddamn. I was trying to block the sun, but you're already going. You know what I'm saying?
Sorry.
I can't block the sun.
The sun's just gonna be.
But it looks kind of cool actually, so whatever. Ooh, you trying to stick it? Shit, there's been a security breach. Woo! Nice. Call 911 now. Illegal photography. He's like a deer in the headlights. I don't even think he was on camera. What are you doing? The underbar.
Yes. Can't get low enough right now.
That's her.
I think that's it for me.
Yeah.
I think that's good.
We're gonna call it there. Legs is dead. Grizz is ready to have a dance party, so. The man. Dropping the in editing the chunks straight out of your guys' folders.
Okay.